Welcome! In front of me I have Blackview R3 Max, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%. Because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen and you see the current watch face, the home screen, you can swipe right on the screen to open the menu. Now in the menu, scroll down and find the settings icon. It's gonna be at the bottom of the menu. Tap on the settings icon to enter the settings, and here you should see the option called reset. It's right here. Once you find it, tap on it and then tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. The watch will turn off, and after a couple of seconds you can turn it back on by pressing and holding the side button again. And once you turn it on, it will still initialize, and after it's done, you will see the watch face again. And that's how you factory reset this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.